So I want to start this course off with the 6 myths of terrorism. Myths that pervade our academic work, that pervade our media, and pervade often our public perceptions. Now, these myths are repeated by, again, media, politicians, public figures, and they occur particularly after a terrorist attack has occurred. Sometimes it's used to rationalize terrorism. It's used to say after a terrorist attack occurs that this is what terrorists have to do to achieve their objectives, that they're so oppressed. But oftentimes they're not rational, and I'll get into detail on this. And again, after specific events, these myths become more pervasive. If you look at some of the footage after 9/11 or after the Fort Hood shooter or the Boston Marathon attack, you'll hear many of these myths uttered, and you don't have to go 2 hours after an attack to see on cable news the talking heads, the ubiquitous talking heads, and the supposed terrorist experts go on live TV and start espousing some of these myths. And there's 6 of them that I think are particularly pernicious.